This session, we are going to be rekeying a ball knob entry. Some of the tools you are going to need are a plug follower, a 3/16" screwdriver, or if you desire, a plug clip remover. The first step to disassembling this lock is to make sure that it is in the unlocked position. There are two ways that you can do this. By double checking that the thumb turn is turned all the way clockwise, like so, or by using the screwdriver, inserting it into the shaft, and also turning it all the way clockwise and checking that it is unlocked. At the base of the ball, you'll see that there is a notch that sticks out. What we need to do is push that in and separate the ball from the rosette. Grab the ball knob with your hand and with your thumb and index finger push against the rosette as you push that notch in with the screwdriver. Turn the ball knob upside down for two reasons. We will need to remove the ring and also to make sure that the cylinder does not fall in the ball and make removal more difficult. Use your index fingers to slide the cylinder out. The next step is removing the cylinder cap and the plug clip. Use the screwdriver to pry the cap off and push one side of the plug clip down and pry it off. Insert the key. Grab the plug follower and push it against the base of the cylinder. Push it slowly and firmly through. Make sure there is no gap in between so that the top pins do not fall down from the housing. Rekey the lock. Then grab the cylinder and put it back against the plug follower and push it through again. Use your thumb to push against the cylinder as you pull the key out so that the cylinder doesn't fall. Put the clip back on. The cylinder cap has a notch that must match up with the notch in the cylinder itself. Push the two together. Then put the cylinder back into the ball. Make sure that it fits properly. Grab the ring. The ring has a notch itself that will fit in the narrow gap on the ball. Put the rosette back in. Push this notch in and squeeze the two parts together. The notch should pop out, and test it to make sure that it is locked together.